In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game voice chat and mic's not working in Call of Duty Warzone. So from the main lobby, press the options or menu button on your controller, and we're going to go to settings, and then select audio settings. Now under the audio tab, just ensure master game volume's turned up, and then we're going to navigate over to voice chat at the top, and where it says voice chat, ensure it's turned on, as well as having your voice chat volume turned up. Now, on your specific gaming platform, look for your microphone settings and just ensure you haven't accidentally muted yourself, that your mic's on the correct input, and if you can adjust your microphone level on your platform or on your actual headset, make sure that it's turned up. So once you've done that, also go to the sound settings on your platform and ensure if there's a mute game voice chat option, that it's turned off, that the volume's turned up on your actual output device, and that your output device for sound is correct. Now on your actual headset, if there's a mute toggle, make sure that toggle's turned off. And for game chat voice in game, since we want to talk to people in game, I'm going to set it to all lobby. But if you just want to talk to people in your party, leave it on party only. So for communication preset, leave that turned off. And under microphone level, just make sure this is turned up. And you can test your microphone right here as well. Now, if you notice that your microphone isn't picking up your voice in-game or it's cutting out a lot, try decreasing the open mic threshold. And if your microphone's too sensitive, try increasing the mic threshold. Now, once you've done that, we're going to go back to settings. And in settings, go to account and network. And you just want to ensure under online that if you have a cross-play communication option, that it's turned on if you're talking to people on different platforms. Now, once you've done that, we're going to go back again and go to the social tab and just ensure that you're actually connected to your party voice chat. So I'm going to connect just like that. And now you'll be able to talk to people in the lobby as well. So in the bottom right corner, you'll also see the option to mute self. So just make sure you haven't accidentally muted your mic. And if you have people in your party, also just navigate over to the right here and select their name. And just make sure you haven't accidentally muted them. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.